20 pounds in there. Can't wait for this. Yeah! Look at that. I'm fishing with these tomorrow.
What have you been catching?
Oh, yes! Blue crabs. So I got crabs.
I got crabs.
The Potomac.
I almost had one in the boat.
Did you?
Yeah, on my Cinco. I was reeling them. Oh, stay on, stay on, stay on.
Wonderful. We were at a restaurant and the power went off and we didn't think nothing of it. And we come back and there is a whole tree. In the parking lot. It came from right there and smoked this Ford truck. Oh my goodness, look at that.
Where did it come from?
Right here.
Oh, holy holy shit.
Thank you for shopping with Dashin. Please visit us
I got a
again
donut.
soon.
I had to. I said I got a donut. I had to.
$96.
Hey, Felix.
Yes, sir.
3:30 check-in today.
3:30. Thank you, guys. You too. We're rolling. Whoops. Got a little wind today. More than we've had all week. We had one day that it blew, but this is blowing.
Weights for today, Kevin?
18 pounds will be leading it. I don't care what anyone says. And 12 3/4 pounds puts you in the top 50. We'll see. I've been wrong before. I'm a crappie fisherman, so we'll see. Jordan?
I think somebody's gonna crack them today. Someone's gonna be right around that 20-pound mark.
No.
I think it's gonna be around 12.5 to make a cut.
Same. 20 pounds, bud? The biggest weight ever weighed in here, ever in the history of the Potomac River, was 22 pounds. Ever, of all time, by the way. This is post.
I think it's going to take 20 to 20 and a half.
You're full of crap.
I was going to say 22, but I'm going to go down to 20.
That's only the biggest weight ever.
After what I saw on Facebook last night, Cody Meyer and them are catching giants.
We've been here, this will be our 4th day on the water. Being from Missouri, we're not tidal experts, but we have, in the 3 days that we've been here, we have figured out the tide. It's easy to figure it out. It goes up, and then it goes down.
So you've mastered it.
I've mastered the tide.
You've mastered the tide. You've been here for 3 days, and he's mastered the tide. It goes up,
and then when it
comes
goes down, or turn around, it goes right back up. That's it. I got it.
Sounds legit.
We're tidal experts. Let's go.
Return to the Mac, get on what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Me get up, first shot, come strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, y'all can't copy yet. Glad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all with chrome music. I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on like that stage light, going shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDENT shit hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the back question. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country. Here we go.
too much.
Yep.
They need to be.
He knows every stat about bass fishing in history.
In my experience, the guys that are like John Cox and don't pay attention to all do way better. They just do.
If you were, I'd have to have you full time because
These fish are shallow, dude. Shallow. Dude, that's awesome. Hey, they're not big, but we're gonna catch 5 of these things and then worry about it. Little one. Fish are on that wood, aren't they? Is that a keeper? It is. It's a sad one. Double turn on me. Pre-fishing in the tournament lane? 2-7. That's number 5. We got 5 for 714. We are whacking them. Put them in the old spa down here. All right, let's go. Just can't spin out. Just keep pre-fishing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What the hell? We'll take it. What the heck? Isn't that crazy? That's nuts.
we're going down there in September.
That might have killed him. Every cast.
Yeah.
That's what my buddies tell me too. So one of my buddies, they go to Florida. Oh. There he is, dude. There he is. Wayne, we are gonna make this, huh? We can definitely weigh him. $204, you think? I mean,
210?
2-4.
Dang.
Calling them. Number 2 is a goner, and that gives us 10-11, which we can deal with. Number 2, right? Is that what I said? Oh, that might have been a perch. Nope, it's a bass. Come back and bit it. It's the kind we need, man. 215. Number 4. Hey, we're getting there now. Worst come to worst, I gotta run back, you know? Mm-hmm. I can hit one of those docks on the way in. I'm doing it. Oh, good here. Good one. Good one. Yep. Why do I keep trying to leave, Lane?
He's in that patch. I saw that patch out in front of the boat, so I flipped into it and boom, he just took off with it. The old Thankyou. Second biggest. Got to replace number 2 with a 214. That gives me 13.5 pounds. Very nice. I do think if you jack around and catch 2 or 3 more of those, it's enough to make the cut. When the tide starts coming up, I'm going out in the main river now. Try to catch 1. If I get bit out there, it'll be a 4 or 5 pounder.
How are you catching them right now?
Catching them flipping a Cinco out here on this outer grass edge. The tide came down. I think they're finally starting to bite out here. It's where I've been catching them, but the tide was so high this morning. It's been higher than it has all week. Keep throwing this Cinco around, drift around a little bit. Anytime you fish a grass lake, a Cinco works so well. Old school. 12-pound line, 16-pound sinker. Broke the line. That's a big one. Had me around the tide. Come on. What is going on? I'm gonna catch him up there in those laydowns in the morning when the tide's high for sure. I haven't even fished this stuff, never even fished this in practice. The wind kind of forced me to run new water today. Lucky to have what we have, honestly. I'm happy about it. I said I wanted 13, now I want 14. Getting greedy. I got 222, is that what you got? Oh, you don't have your phone out?
No, I don't.
This might be a big one. Hit it right at the boat. Oh yeah. Yep. Sir. That's gotta be my biggest. I didn't even get to fish my 3 best spots doing this.
Right.
This is the scenario I haven't fished. Uh-oh. 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 Watch out, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that'll help. I might just want to head in after this. It's 3:15. That fish ain't 3 pounds though, is he?
No, he's another 214 probably.
Hey, we'll take it. Heat duty's 3. Yes. Oh man. 3, 3, 2. And I replaced number 5, which gives me 14.5 pounds. I think it's time to go in. I don't want to catch too many more. Number 5, right? Number 5. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Have a good one. Yep, you too. Gotta get that one weighed. got 14?
I think you do.
That's 5, right?
Is that 5?
Yep. I'm sure. 4, 5, yep. Thank you.
Yep. Doesn't make me nervous.
Thank you, Blake. Felix, come on up here, Blake. Had a great event. Over the last couple events, he's done well. He's got 5 fish in the bag today. He's from Warsaw, Missouri. 14 pounds and 11 ounces for Blake. Blake, you're top 30 right now. How important is a cut to you today?
I want to make the cut. I think I can.
Yeah.
I had probably 3 limits today in 4 or 5 different areas. So we're catching a lot of keepers, and I'm excited about tomorrow.
Doing a lot of culling, sounds like.
A lot of culling, a lot of
Good deal. Well, good luck to you, man. Good job. Well done. Good job. Frank Kitchens III. Come on up here, Sherman.
Here you go, bud. Maybe not been using that. That's the dumbest.
Look at that. We're on them. Hey, that'll work.
I'm telling you.
Put that on the back of your flipping jig.
I might need to call you boys sometime to get the rest of them.
You'll make the cut.
Make the cut on that and never mind. Look at that
Dude,
thing in the water. Dude, it looks
You see
great. Look at that thing.
Oh my God, it swims, dude.
Old swimming crab.
You're on them.
Yeah, look at this sucker.
Day 2, MLF on the Potomac River. We are setting in decent shape. We had 14-11 yesterday. The crazy thing is 50th place is the cut today, and I think that's 14 pounds. The weights are tight. Everybody caught them. I think we need another 14-ish today to make the cut. That's my opinion. We'll see. I think we're going to catch it. We caught a lot of keepers yesterday. Late in the day is the only thing that scares me. I weighed in at 3:30 yesterday. Today I weigh in at 3, and at like 3:15 I caught 2 of the fish I weighed in. So we'll see how that goes, but we'll catch up with you guys on the water here in a little bit.
Kevin's got the tide figured out. It goes up and then it goes down.
I love Kevin's theories.
Got to take time, boat number 56. Got to 56.
That's what we do out here. He needs to get out of the way. Get run over.
Boat number 58. Got to 58. Boat number 58.
Yes, sir. Number 1, baby. Biggest one all week. Is that a 4? Might be a 4-poundy. It's close. 3.6. Bigger than any fish we caught yesterday. So we will take that. Feel how warm that fish is. The water's hot. Get you down there in that bathtub. There was one. Really? Had it swimming it in. Yeah. Guess it was on something. Nope. Here, boys. Yes, sir. That Kissimmee grass, though, man, that shit's awesome.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, didn't even know it. Yes. Okay. All right. Number 3. Catch 2 6-pounders. 7.5 pounds. Oh, there was one right there. Sucker swam a mile with it. Yep. Yes, sir.
That's a good one.
That's a good one, dude. Oh, fuck yes. Bro. I got 3 weighers already. It's my 3rd one. Yeah. 211. 10 pounds, baby. With 4. So bad. One right there, dude. Yes, sir. That should give us 12 pounds. 2-2. Gives us 12-3. Pull out that 1 pounder with a 4. Hollywood. Come off, dude. I saw him. He didn't look huge, but he was definitely a 2 pounder. Damn. That's the one. I do believe that'll make the cut right there. That fish is over 2. $2.7. Place is number 3. It only gives me 12.14. Might need one more then. Replace is number 3. Midday update, 11:52. The tide's coming down. It's been coming down for a couple hours now. I think it's halfway down for the day. So we're gonna run out and fish the main river docks that I broke those 2 fish off yesterday on. They've been seeming to bite out there when the tide gets a little bit lower, but the current's been running for a while. We've got about 14.5 pounds. We're gonna make the cut. Now I just wanna try to make the top 10. All my big bites this week have come out in the main river, so that's where we're gonna go put ourselves. I'm not feeling the docks today. No action, no activity, nothing. Oh, there he was, dude. God damn it. Oh. How big was he?
Over 3.
Was he?
That was a good one.
God dang it. Oh, there he was again, dude. He wasn't 3.
That was a different fish.
Was it?
Mm-hmm. The colors were not the same.
Come on. He bit it. Is there a school of them there? Uh-oh. Now that is the one, bro. We are going to the damn. Get in here. Yes. Whew. Yes, sir. There, 100% fishing tomorrow. That's a 3.5, 3 something.
$3.6.
3.1. Okay. It's gonna replace that number 2, 14.5. We did it, dude. Number 2. Got one in here. Might catch another one right here. See that little ditch running right through there? All this hydrilla out here. The tide coming down, they all come out here and sit right here in this little spot. Well, that's a wrap. Day 2's over. I do think we have enough to make the cut. We've got like 14.5 pounds, had 14.11 yesterday. We got really close to that today. I think we're gonna end up right around 29 to 30 pounds, and we're definitely fishing tomorrow. Same game plan tomorrow. I'm gonna start close, throw a topwater. The topwater's been catching all my big fish lately, so we're gonna fish a little different tomorrow. We're gonna throw the topwater for the first 2 hours, just trying to catch a big bag. All we can do is go up from here. We're gonna get paid no matter what. So topwater in the morning, flip some lily pads later on, and then follow the tide out and fish the deep grass, and we'll see how it pans out tomorrow. That's all we got. We're headed to weigh in.
Blake and Felix, come on up here, Blake. Blake had 14.11 yesterday. He's from Warsaw, Missouri. He's got 5 fish in the bag today. Another good day. 14-13, 29 pounds and 8 ounces. Blake, 7th place right now. It's amazing how a lot of you guys are exactly the same. I mean, literally, I've had, I don't know how many kids, 14 and 14, 12 and 12, 9 and 9, 15, 15. Consistency out there.
Oh yeah, there's a ton of fish in this lake. I bet I've been catching 20 or 30 keepers a day. They just all weigh the same.
Okay.
Getting those 3-pound bites is key, and I had a 3.5, 4-pounder this morning on the topwater, which really helped me out.
Gotcha.
Want to tell my dads happy Father's Day, and hi to my family.
You got it. Thank you, sir. Cody Parker, come on up. Cody is...
On a frog, boys.
I actually got one.
Did you?
About time.
Heck yeah, dude. Number 1. Not a bad one. Ooh. Get it, sir. Get it, sir. That's not what I want. I had a feeling that's what that was. Big old snakehead. Yuck. Look at that thing. It's like an anaconda. It's sick. It is sick. I don't like this thing. I ain't getting that thing in the boat, I can tell you that. So I thought that was either going to be a 6-pounder, or did you think the same thing?
Yeah.
I thought it was mudfish. I was like, that's got to be a mudfish. Consistently, this bait catches more 3-pounders than anything I got in my boat. There he is. He bit it again. Uh-oh. That's why you pick up the Cinco. It just catches them. $2.4?
Probably 2.8.
Might be. He's a little heavy. So. Oh, look at you, Lane. 2.9.
Dang.
413. We'll take it. Same spot they were at yesterday. Make sure we get rid of that one. We'll take it. One four. Uh-oh. Got him. Take it. Hammered it. I don't know how he didn't get it. Got it that time. Yes, we'll take it. You tried to outsmart me, didn't you, little sucker? Let's see here. Hopefully he's 2. 2-2. That's number 5. We got some work ahead of us for sure on this deal. But it's a good start. Maybe we found a little juice spot. Let's see. Probably. Huge right now. Got it. Can I help? Yeah, he'll help. I got a couple babies, don't I? Falling tide lane. I don't know why I rushed it. Come back over here when the tide's right and they bite immediately. Back here. Hey. Stop that. Stop. Replaces number 4. Hey, that gave us 10 minutes. No, he was a baby. Alright, let's get back to it here. They're starting to bite. They're starting to bite. Catching the dinks today. Got 1-4. ain't gonna beat up right there on top. Oh yeah.
Man, I was thinking the same thing. They are just dead today. Means I gotta change up. Gotta do something different here.